Build the best.
Build the best.
Build the best.
And that's just the beginning. Each team member has a profound responsibility. Make every Mercedes-Benz a masterpiece.
I am a craftsman.
I'm a craftsman.
I'm a craftsman.
My customer
As the next team member down the line.
And I always
Send my customer the best product that I can.
Building the best is an intricate operation, and MBUSI is a state-of-the-art facility. It assembles 4 models: the GLS, GLE, GLE Coupe, and Maybach GLS. Every 79 seconds, a new vehicle rolls off the line. As it's being built, it travels through 3 plants: body, paint, and assembly. The journey covers more than 6 miles and takes 36 hours. It will be processed by 1,700 robots, touched by more than 500 pairs of human hands. Tested again and again. And again. The journey begins in body. Body is made up of 3 zones. Each zone is responsible for a different part of the build. Molded steel and aluminum arrive just in time from nearby suppliers. Across the shop, hundreds of robots apply thousands of welds to the vehicle. The biggest robot is 10 feet tall. It can lift 2,200 pounds. Several ISRA stations measure vehicle dimensions in welds. They're accurate to 1/10,000th of a meter. The most precise tool in the shop is the coordination measuring machine. It confirms all of the other testing processes. It's accurate to 1/1000th of a meter. People play an important role in ensuring precision too.
every vehicle, every time.
That's the Mercedes-Benz way.
In final inspection, specially trained metal finishers remove any burrs or deformations. Finished bodies head to the next shop on the line. Paint. Mercedes-Benz durable, flawless finish is the result of a 7-step process. The body is attached to a conveyor system and electrified. Then it's plunged into a 40,000-gallon phosphate E-coat bath to condition the metal. It's submerged and tumbled to give 100% coverage and eliminate air pockets. We seal every gap on the body with PVC. And we apply a sound deadener to help minimize wind and road noise. Robots apply primer in one of 3 colors depending on the vehicle's final color. The vehicle is oven cured and sanded. We use emu feathers to remove the dust. They're perfect for the job. Next, robots apply the base coat. This will be the vehicle's final color. From there, another team of robots applies the top coat. This ensures a durable, high-gloss finish. Next comes final inspection. Any blemish larger than 0.5 millimeter is corrected. Last, we inject wax into the body's various cavities to provide additional protection. Finished bodies travel to assembly. Assembly is the third and final step of producing the vehicle. As a body enters the plant, its doors are removed to give team members easier access to the interior. The body is built out on the main line. Its doors are completed on another line, and its engine and chassis are finished on a third. Overhead LED boards provide up to the second status of each workstation. Team members install, manage, and inspect everything the vehicle requires. They mount the dashboard. It takes just 79 seconds. They place the signature front-end grille and bumper. Tend the robots. Bolt on wheels. Mount the steering wheel. And reattach doors. They help join chassis and body at the marriage station. They adjust ride height and suspension. And carefully monitor the entire process. 4 confirmation tests called loops help guarantee quality.
What difference does our attention to detail make?
All the difference in the world.
Offline tests guarantee we are finally customer ready.
A vehicle that passes every test becomes a new Mercedes-Benz. Some of them will arrive in your dealership. And when they do, ask yourself, am I ready?